Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is just a quick video to show you a belt, a gun belt that I got from this company, KMIOC, to evaluate. So I'm going to show it to you. The holster that I happen to have right now is for a full-size 45. That's my Springfield full-size 45. So I'm not going to show you me wearing it because I wouldn't carry that one. That one's just way too big to carry. This is an inside the waistband holster for a full-size 45. But I wanted to show you the belt. The belt is really probably the nicest full leather belt that I own. Okay, stitching is good. Hardware is very sturdy. I can't say as far as wear and tear because I haven't worn it yet, but I did want to show it to you, and I wanted to show you the name of the company that sent it to me, and I'll put a link down below if you want to get one. Okay? Be good, stay safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Let's go, Brandon.